Imagine stepping into a home on wheels, where every surface gleams like a boutique hotel suite and every corner whispers comfort. This isn't just a camper, it's a rolling palace, a high-end luxury trailer built for travelers who refuse to compromise style for mobility. Today we're taking you on a guided tour through this extraordinary camper trailer, exploring each room as if you were right here with us. The moment you step inside, the first thing you notice is the sheer space. Thanks to a smart, open-concept layout and wide panoramic windows, natural daylight pours in, creating a sense of airiness that most traditional campers can only dream of. Polished hardwood floors stretch from wall to wall, reflecting the sunlight and guiding you deeper inside. It feels less like a trailer and more like a modern loft apartment, parked wherever the horizon calls. Let's begin in the living area, the heart of this home on wheels. Plush leather sectional seating wraps around the lounge, offering plenty of room for friends or family to gather. Soft LED ambient lighting glows beneath the cabinetry, setting a relaxing mood for evenings. A large flat-screen TV mounted flush against the wall makes movie nights under the stars easier than ever. It's a space designed for both relaxation and entertainment, blending high-end design with everyday comfort. Across from the lounge lies the sleek kitchenette, a culinary space that would make even a city chef jealous. Marble-style countertops glisten under the daylight, while stainless steel appliances, including an induction cooktop and convection microwave, promise full gourmet capability. Every drawer or cabinet features soft-close hinges, eliminating the rattle you'd expect in a typical trailer. Storage is cleverly tucked into every available nook, making it easy to bring along your favorite ingredients and cookware without clutter. Adjacent to the kitchen is a compact but elegant dining nook. A modern table with stylish chairs provides the perfect spot for a sunrise breakfast or an intimate dinner after a long day on the road. Imagine enjoying a fresh cup of coffee while looking out through the oversized side windows as a mountain range glows in the distance. It's travel at its most serene. Now let's head toward the private quarters. The bedroom suite is a masterclass in comfort and design. A queen-size bed dressed in premium linens anchors the room, while built-in nightstands and overhead cabinets keep essentials close at hand. LED reading lights are strategically placed to create a cozy glow without disturbing your partner. Pull back the blinds and you'll find another breathtaking view. Whether you've parked in a secluded forest, beside a quiet lake, or along an endless desert highway, this bedroom becomes your personal window to the world. One of the camper's most surprising features is its spa-like bathroom. Step through a sliding door and discover a space that rivals upscale hotels. A glass-enclosed rainfall shower, a marble vanity countertop with a backlit mirror, and sleek chrome fixtures that shine against the polished tile floor. A skylight overhead lets in warm natural light, giving your morning routine a refreshing start. Beyond the obvious luxury, every element of this camper is built for life on the move. High-efficiency climate control keeps the interior comfortable in all seasons, while advanced insulation ensures quiet nights even in bustling campgrounds. Smart home technology allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems from a single touchscreen or your smartphone. And despite its lavish design, the entire unit is engineered for stability and smooth towing, so the journey is as enjoyable as the destination. What truly sets this camper apart, though, is the freedom it offers. You're not tied to a single address or bound by hotel reservations. Your backyard could be a coastal cliff one night and a deep pine forest the next. You can chase sunsets across the desert, wake up to ocean breezes, or spend a month in the mountains without sacrificing the comforts of home. For digital nomads, adventurous families, or anyone seeking a life less ordinary, this trailer becomes more than transportation, it becomes a lifestyle. Think of the possibilities. Hosting a dinner party under a blanket of stars, working remotely from a national park, or simply enjoying a spontaneous weekend getaway without packing or planning. With this camper, every road is an invitation and every horizon a new living room view. Even maintenance is designed to be simple. Durable exterior finishes resist weather and road wear, while the interior surfaces are easy to clean and built to last. Solar panels on the roof provide renewable energy, and integrated water filtration ensures fresh drinking water wherever you roam. As you walk back through the living space, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe. This camper trailer isn't just about luxury, it's about freedom wrapped in sophistication. It's for those who want to explore without leaving comfort behind. For those who dream of waking up to a different view every morning, yet always feel at home. So whether you're an experienced traveler looking to upgrade, a family seeking unforgettable adventures, or simply someone who loves the idea of limitless horizons, this luxury camper trailer is ready to make the world your backyard. If you've enjoyed this tour and can already picture yourself unlocking the door to this rolling palace, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow wanderers. Adventure is calling, and with a home like this, you'll answer in absolute style.